That's all for according to these this four topics for record measurement and on-account measurement and initiation of new NS item and proposal for variations. In case any doubt or clarification required in the topic, please let me know, sir. I'm ready to clarify.
Good presentation, Arvind. So many
Thank you,
things
sir.
covered, but any SSC if having any doubt can come and ask. Tamil also you can ask if any problem is there. So let the things get clarified properly. So this billing is actually one part of our working, and due to any problem, if it is getting delayed, then contractor is struggling and overall work will be struggle. Suppose if he's not paid the money. So I want to avoid this kind of things in the future. So all the SSCs just we will upload this this VC also, the video. But if anybody having any doubt, let ask the questions, so others will also get benefited from the doubts. So if anything is there to be clarified, just ask.
Hello, Arvind.
Yes, sir, Arvind, sir.
Arvind, this when we start நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றோம்ல, அப்போ வந்து ரெண்டு திங் இருக்கும். இந்த ரெக்கார்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட், இன்னொன்னு ஆன் அக்கவுண்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட்.
ஆமா
ஸோ
சார்.
அது கொஞ்சம் டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க. ரெக்கார்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட் எப்போ எழுதுவோம், அப்போ ஆன் அக்கவுண்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட் எப்போ எழுதுவோம்?
சார் நான் ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் முடிச்சுட்டு ரெண்டு ப்ராசஸ் இருக்கு, ரெக்கார்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட், ஆன் அக்கவுண்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட். இன்கேஸ் ஒரே ஒர்க் சே இன்ஜினியரிங் ஒர்க்ஸ் இன் எம்ஏஎஸ் டு அரக்கோணம் இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க சார். அதில் வந்து இப்போ என்னென்ன எஸ்எஸ்சி செக்ஷன், சிக்னல் எஸ்எஸ்சி செக்ஷன் இன்வால்வ் ஆகுதுன்னு பார்ப்போங்க. எஸ்எஸ்சி சிக்னல் எம்ஏஎஸ், பிபிக்யூ, டிஆர்எல் அண்ட் ஏஜேஜே ஈஸ்ட் 4 எஸ்எஸ்சி செக்ஷன் இன்வால்வ் ஆகும். அது இல்லாமல் ஸ்டோர் போர்ஷன், சப்ளை போர்ஷன் அந்த எஸ்எஸ்சி சிக்னல் எஸ்ஆர்எம் கண்ட்ரோல் இன்வால்வ் ஆகும். ஸோ 5 எஸ்எஸ்சி செக்ஷன் 5 எஸ்எஸ்சி இதில் இன்வால்வ் ஆவாங்க. ஸோ இதில் வந்து கோஆர்டினேட்டிங் எஸ்எஸ்சின்னு சொல்லி ஏதாவது ஒரு எஸ்எஸ்சியே நம்ம ஆஃபீஸில் நாமினேட் பண்ணிடுவாங்க சார். இப்போ மற்ற 4 எஸ்எஸ்சிஸ்க்கு வந்து அவங்கள டேட்டா மெஷர்மெண்ட் எழுதி டேட்டா பில்லிங்க்கு புஷ் பண்ண முடியாது. அவங்க 4 பேரும் அவங்க செக்ஷன்ல ஒர்க் பண்ண ஒர்க், அவங்க செக்ஷன்ல அவங்க ஜுரிடிக்ஷன்ல ஒர்க் பண்ண ஷெட்யூல் குவான்டிட்டி ஆஃப் ஒர்க்கை அவங்க வந்து ரெக்கார்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட்டா அப்லோட் பண்ணுவாங்க சார். ஸோ இண்டிவிஜுவல் குவான்டிட்டி எஸ்எஸ்சி எம்ஏஎஸ் தனியா ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க, பிபிக்யூ தனியா ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க, டிஆர்எல் தனியா ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க, அரக்கோணம் ஈஸ்ட் தனியா ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. 4 ரெக்கார்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட் உங்களுக்கு ரெடி ஆயிடும். இன்கேஸ் எக்ஸிகியூஷன் பார்ட் அலோன்னு சொல்லலாம், 4 ரெக்கார்டு மெஷர்மெண்ட் ரெடி ஆயிடும். இப்போ 4த்தையும் கம்பைன் பண்ணி தான் வந்து பில் ப்ராசஸ் பண்ண முடியும். அந்த கம்பைனிங் ப்ராசஸ் தான் ஆன் அக்கவுண்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட்டு. அதை வந்து 4 பேரையும் கோஆர்டினேட் பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு எஸ்எஸ்சி நாமினேட் பண்ணுவோம். அந்த கோஆர்டினேட்டிங் எஸ்எஸ்சி 4 மெஷர்மெண்ட்டையும் கம்பைன் பண்ணி ஒரு சிங்கிள் மெஷர்மெண்ட்டா கொண்டு வரணும் சார். கொண்டு வந்துட்டு அதுல மேபி அடிஷனோ கரெக்ஷனோ எது இருந்தாலும் அவருக்கு ரைட்ஸ் இருக்கு அதுல பண்றதுக்கு. அடிஷன் சொல்றது இன்கேஸ் இப்போ 4 எஸ்எஸ்சி எழுதியாச்சு, 5th எஸ்எஸ்சி அவரோட குவான்டிட்டியும் அதில் ஆட் பண்ணலாம். இல்ல ஏதாவது டூப்ளிகேஷன் ஆஃப் குவான்டிட்டி இருக்குன்னு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிட்டு மைனஸும் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ இந்த ப்ராசஸ் ரன் ஆகும். இது பேர் தான் ஆன் அக்கவுண்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட். இந்த ஆன் அக்கவுண்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட் ப்ராசஸ் சர்டிஃபை ஆகி அக்செப்ட் ஃபைனலைஸ் ஆகின பட்சத்துல மட்டும்தான் அது வந்து பில்லிங் ப்ராசஸ்க்கு கேரி ஃபார்வர்ட் ஆகும். பில்ன்றது ஒரு சிம்பிள் சார். 4 டேப்லேஷன் இருக்கு சார். 4 டேப்லேஷன் ஒரே டேப்லேஷனை கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணாதான் சார் நம்ம சிங்கிள் டேப்லேஷன்ல பில்லிங் போட முடியும். ஸோ சேம் லாஜிக் சார்.
இப்போ இந்த ஆன் அக்கவுண்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட் இப்போ சப்போஸ் நான் எழுதுறேன்னா, ஒரு 3 செக்ஷன் எஸ்எஸ்சி எழுதியிருக்காங்க, அவங்க கிட்ட இருந்து நான் எதுனா சர்டிபிகேட் வாங்கணுமா, இல்ல ஜஸ்ட் அது செக் பண்ணி ஃபார்வர்ட் பண்ணா ஓகே? என்ன ஒர்க் எக்ஸிக்யூட்டடுக்கு எதனா லெட்டர் வாங்கணுமா?
இல்ல சார், அவங்க இண்டிவிஜுவலா ரெக்கார்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்கல்ல சார். இண்டிவிஜுவலா ரெக்கார்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட் பண்ணும் போதே அவங்க வந்து அதுக்கான டாக்குமெண்ட்ஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. இங்க எக்ஸாம்பிள் காமிக்கிறேன். இப்போ இந்த மெஷர்மெண்ட்ல எஸ்எஸ்சி எம்ஏஎஸ் ரெக்கார்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட் ஃபைனலைஸ் ஆயிருக்கு. இப்போ அந்த பர்டிகுலர் அந்த 2 குவான்டிட்டிக்கு 2 ஷெட்யூல் ஐட்டம்க்கு அவங்க அப்லோட் பண்ணிருக்க டாக்குமெண்ட்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும். உங்க ஜாயிண்ட் இன்ஸ்பெக்ஷன் ரிப்போர்ட் இதுல ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா வந்துடும். அது இல்லாம அவங்க ஃபைனலைஸ் பண்ண எம்புக் எந்த விச் ஏடிஎஸ்டி அக்செப்டட் தேர் எம்புக்கோ அவங்களோட டிஜிட்டல் சிக்னேச்சர் பிளேஸ் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு வந்துடும். இட் செல்ஃப் இட் இஸ் அத்தாரிட்டி. அவங்க அவங்க ஜாயிண்ட் இன்ஸ்பெக்ஷன் சர்டிபிகேட்டும் இருக்கு. அந்த ரெக்கார்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட் ஃபைனலைஸ் பண்ணதுக்கான மெஷர்மெண்ட்டும் உங்க அப்லோட் ஆயிடும் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா, லிங்க் ஆகி தான் வரும். சார்
சரிங்க அரவிந்த். ஓகே, தேங்க்ஸ். ஏடிஎஸ்டி த்ரூ தான் வரும் அப்போ.
ஆமா சார். ஈச் இண்டிவிஜுவல் ரெக்கார்ட் மெஷர்மெண்ட்டுமே கன்சர்ன் ஏடிஎஸ்டி ஃபைனலைஸ் பண்ண அப்புறமா தான் உங்களுக்கு ஆன் அக்கௌண்ட்ல வரும். ஸோ ஏடிஎஸ்டி ஃபைனலைஸ்டு மெஷர்மெண்ட் தான் உங்களுக்கு கேரி ஃபார்வர்ட் தான் ஆகும் உங்களுக்கு.
சரிங்க அரவிந்த். ஓகே ஓகே, தேங்க்ஸ்.
Arvind, good afternoon. Arvind,
Good afternoon.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Arvind,
sir.
I have a doubt regarding LBH. That during the measurement we are calculating that LBH, na? That,
Yes, sir.
for labor, now let you assume that I'm utilizing 45 labors. That I have to write 45 into 1 into 1, right?
No, sir. Actually, sir, all the contract we are using in a linear units only. Recording it should be done in linear units. Since this application is developed by engineering department, they have created so because in engineering department it may be volume also. It is a general unit. For that, whichever SSC has been nominated for coordinating as a coordinating SSC, will have this option in departmental, normal contract, and enter basic measurement details. On clicking onto it, search, and whichever work it is, say MAS to or the same work, just selecting it up. In that, if let it load. Yes, sir. The coordinating SSC will have rights to assign the what is the unit, how the measurement unit should be. It may be a linear. For us, all the measurement unit will be linear. You will be selecting the linear measurements.
I think this is actually mandatory now for all the measurement, all the schedules. So there is a mandatory LPH. Actually, if it is a cable trench excavation work, so let you assume I am taking 500 meters of cable trenching work.
Okay.
So I have to in which way I have to mention that I am 500 into 1 into 1.
Yes. No, sir. No, sir. That is if it is mentioned as linear means only L column will be enabled. B and H will be disabled. So you sir will be allowed to enter only in L. That is the linear item. I will show you. Sir.
Okay, please.
In this, for this work is already assigned. This is our new NS item, where now assignment to be made. Defaultly, it will be LBH.
Yes.
So that's why only you will be getting the three boxes where L, B, and H. Now, if I change it to linear means, I'll mark this everything as linear and partial measurement. Yes. If this is done and I have given save means that only L box will be enabled for edition, where B and H will be disabled. As if 1 minute, I'll show that also.
Understood, Arvind. But provision of fencing, Arvind, what you have to do? A provision of fencing?
Fencing also is linear measurement for us, sir. For us, it is also linear measurement only. Where in the schedule itself, we have mentioned that the height and breadth. So how much
Yes.
length? Sorry, our unit itself, sir, cubic meter, no?
Arvind, your voice coming very low. Just a little bit come
Yes,
near
sir.
to mic.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the fencing schedule, our quantity itself a linear quantity again. It is square meters.
Okay, noted.
So it is again again must be a linear quantity only. So this will not. Sir, I will show one.
Square meters,
For
that's
assessing,
why
the L
the
bill
length
only
and
will be
width.
enabled, sir.
No, actually square meter only, na. So parameter should be in the length and the width, na.
No, sir.
Because fencing we are providing in this code only, na. 29 to 5 and 5 meters length and width is 20 something. Whether this is a linear.
Yes, sir. It is a linear quantity only, sir.
Okay, because the unit is square meter, that's why I have some doubt. This consisting length and breadth will come something, I thought that. Because the fencing we are providing in this way only, na, the length and breadth. So all are linear only, even
Yes, sir.
fencing also.
Yes, sir. Everything is a linear
So what
quantity.
I have to mention only square meter only.
Yes, sir.
That means the length only.
Yes,
And
sir.
then how the calculation will come, Arvind? For that, if I am so going for 200 meters fencing, how the calculation will come? So only length. So length and breadth may vary, na. So let you assume
Sir,
that
sir,
200.
it is
Battery in this you just L is the parameter for the IRWCMS. So
Okay, sir.
our side you don't see it as just a length. If our unit is a square meter, you calculate the square meter and put the unit, put the quantity, so automatically it will come. So if you have did some length and width wise, suppose 10 into 10, then you multiply and make it square meter and put the square meter here also. Here L is just for your matlab, taking the measurement to IRWCMS website inside. If you
Okay,
take
sir.
S, L, H and B, then you have to put to 10, 10, 10 and again your measurements you have to make the records like that only. It is 10 into 10 into 10. So in the
Okay,
measurements,
sir.
if unit is given a square meter, you calculate a square meter and put the quantity here.
Okay, sir. So it's a linear only, right, sir? So that labels also I have to go for linear only, sir.
Yes, yes. Here our side everything we are putting in linear, so one unit will come.
Noted, sir. Noted, sir. Thank you, sir. Arvind, can you tell me that that supply actually only for supply? What is the procedure to make the bill? Because the supply items we are giving only 70% means how? Can you explain it, please?
sir. In case the schedule is of supply and installation.
Yes.
In such schedules, sir, supply and installation means at the time of supply, it will be 70% will be payment, sir, the contractor.
Noted. Okay.
In case at the time of supply, it's 70%, and at the time of installation is 30%.
Okay.
When
Sir,
one, sir.
no, that's okay. But remark is compulsory for this, no? We have to write
Yes,
in
sir.
this remarks column.
Yes, sir. Whenever you have reduced the payment percentage to less than 100%, means then the reason for reduction is must, sir.
Okay. And apart from that, you see, in connection with this above, can I explain about the coefficients? How we have to calculate it, please?
Sir, for S&T bills or S&T measurements, coefficient is not required now, sir.
Okay. Okay.
We are not dealing with the coefficients. That may be used for
Right,
engineering or electrical works, so they may use.
Okay, no need, na? Because I thought that the coefficient is nothing but that the supply 70% maybe we have to write for 0.7 something. It is not like
So
that.
in case like that, if we mention means the total quantity is getting varied, sir. The measured quantity, total number of measured quantity is getting varied. So from Chris, it is recommended not to do so. That is for different
So
purpose.
then I can skip. I can skip this column.
Yes.
Arvind, you tell them to put the remarks and in the billing we are doing that. How we are doing that, we are achieving that, you tell.
Yes, sir. Once the on-account measurement is getting finalized, it will come up like this to us actually. Once the measurement is getting accepted, means the each individual record measurement which have written by SSEs also will come up, and what upload attachments they have uploaded will also be reflected. On account measurement also will be will come to us. In case in on account measurement and record measurement, if the billing percentage you have mentioned as 90 or 70, then only this will be auto filled. If nothing is mentioned up there, means it will directly come. It will take us the total amount of the bill. That is quantity and quantity divided by the measured quantity divided by amount based on value, agreement value. In case it's of 70% means automatically this will be cut off to 70%. The rate will be minus of the 70% of the quantity alone. Just one for thing. In case it has been measured as Veterans are told, in case it is mentioned as coefficients of 0.7 means it will take it. This quantity will be reduced to 0.7 factor. So then the billing system will not unable to calculate the exact quantity.
0.7 factor means it's a percentage, na?
Yes, sir. That is 70% of the quantity only will be assigned. Then for 70%, again 70% will not go, no, sir. Then at the same time, at the end of the day, we cannot find how much quantity we have already built. For example, supply for supply installation, one contractor may have supplied 10 numbers, sir. For that, if we mention as a 0.7 factor means, then for installation, how many factor we don't know. It may exceed the limit also. That should not be. And I request the coordinating SSE before only thing to ensure while writing on account measurement is while writing on account measurement, SSE will know will be shown up with the agreement quantity and the measured quantity. That is the original agreement quantity and what is the quantity now cumulative quantity. This will be the current quantity plus the previously recorded quantity, previously billed quantity. So this should not be exceeds. If it is getting exceeds, please let this office know earlier so that variation should be processed. Then only the measurement must go. Or else, if it is getting finalized with the exceeding quantity means at the time of billing, it is getting an issue with accounts, and the bill, the payment of bills are getting delayed. So for that reason, I am just requesting the SSEs or coordinating SSEs who are going to write the on account measurement. If they have noticed that the recorded the quantity recorded is exceeding the original agreement quantity, this column and this column, please let us know. Arrange for a variation statement at the same simultaneous time, so that billing process will not get delayed further. Sure.
Okay, thank you, Arvind. Understood.
Arvind, one small dot. Now the quantity was exceeded. Coordinating SSE can minus the quantity.
Yes, sir. Coordinating SSE can having the rights to minus the quantity, sir. But for
addition also possible. Addition possible. Coordinating.
Addition also possible, sir. Whichever quantity
Then
which coordinating SSE section have executed some quantity, no, sir. That can be added up to the
No, not what I am telling you. For example, coordinating SSC was not at all work executed. Tirthani SSC executed, Arakonam SSC executed, coordinating SSC card party is writing on account measurement means is it possible to edit their measurement for by coordinating SSC?
We cannot change the approved record measurement, sir. We cannot do the editing in the finalized measurement, but we can reduce or edit the quantity before pushing to the billing. That is, sir. In the same example, I will show you, sir. The recorded measurement by SSC signal MAS cannot be edited. This is approved, and this PDF copy will remain in IRWCMS forever.
Okay.
Where, in case this schedule they have measured, but the coordinating SSC feels these two numbers should not be there. These two
That
numbers
means
should be
the
minus.
coordinating SSC was writing their measurement only can be edited. That's not right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
See,
Okay, understand.
one thing I add, suppose
Yes, sir.
any record measurement is being taken by any SSC and he uploaded the documents that everything finalized and coming to your on account measurement.
Yes, sir.
In this stage now it is not possible to delete this record measurement or reduce the quantity in record measurement. But while recording on account measurement, if you find out ki any quantity is operated less and written more or any correction is required, you can correct in on account measurement and upload the document from the executing SSC, or you can upload from your side, giving the proper justification ki this was the problem and that's why I reduced the quantity or increased the quantity. So accordingly that sign everything will be there what we are doing in MB. So then once it comes in, it can be corrected with the correct measurements. That was the facility. So sometimes we are asking also ki as variation is not processed, we will reduce some quantity and pass the bill, but in their document to be uploaded ki what quantity will reduce and what is still to be billed. So that amount and that clarity should be there in all the upload documents.
On account of yes.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Noted. Thank you.
Okay, Arvind, you can tell this also ki during this our technical check and journal check, we are also facing so many issues regarding the measurements. So some briefly frequently happening issues can be told.
Yes, sir. Sir, the frequently we are facing a issue on two topics, sir. That is the the measured quantity of excavation of cable trench and placing of 1 row of country bricks and refilling of cable trench. The scheduled quantity must be the same, because during a technical check this is getting caught, and the billing has to be sent back to the SSC for remeasurement, like that. It's happening, and this is
That will
causing a
vary,
delay, sir.
Arvind. Actually, sorry for that will vary, Arvind. Actually, executed trenching and refilling not the same. Actually, trenching will be done. Then there will be a GI pipe or road crossing DWC pipe. Then refilling will be accordingly reduced. It will not come. So then bricks work also they are using for example cable tracing they are using old bricks. These and all problems although alone we are facing here old bricks, and also we will not to pay then for new bricks. So this variation will be there in field level.
Yes, sir. In case if such justification for this discrepancy in the measurement means, that maybe please make it an upload as uploaded document, means we can get the information so that we not disturb the SSC at all times. No. That is the thing.
Okay.
This thing actually it is correct. If any suppose trenching you are doing, so that is the 1 meter trench and depth, 1 meter depth, and that 0.6 that is there. So if that schedule you are operating, then that refilling is required. Suppose you are using your GI pipe or hard laterite soil or something else concreting, then particular schedule should be operated. And there are one or two schedules available where separately we are doing the bricklaying in the concreting. So if you are using the excess bricklaying during the concreting, then it should be shown in your measurement that records this much bricklaying is part of the concreting and this much is the part of the trenching. There are so many cases coming where trenches are closed without bricklaying and some other reasons are being given. So if those kind of scenarios happens where it is not possible to do some bricklaying or something, then before the sending measurement, take the approval from any officer, attach that uploaded that document in your measurement documents, and then send for the billing. So at least there should not be any fallback. Understood.
Okay.
So if anything,
Yes, sir,
it is not, I'm not telling it should be as equal only, but if any deviation is there, because
yes,
all
we
the
should take
guideline is
approval and
available.
upload.
So that should be uploaded with the approval signed by any officer. So then that should be come to the office. So bill will be cleared immediately. Otherwise it will be pending here.
Okay, sir. Noted.
Yes, sir. Sir, and the second issue is what as I previously said, the quantity executed is beyond the scheduled in the quantity in the LOA or agreement, sir. So in such cases also, either in a technical check they are returning back for processing for variation, then the bill has to be pushed up, or else even if due to urgency, if we get it from drawing section also in accounts, they are making it pending and just returning the back bill, uh, returning the bill back to us for the processing for variation at that time, sir. This one issue is long going in billing time, sir.
Arvind, is it not possible to for a SSC to see the what other record measurements have been recorded for a work? What he
Yes,
is
sir.
going to record?
Yes, sir.
So that so at
Coordinating
least
SSC can be seen, sir. It will be seen to coordinating SSC during the on-account measurement. The same window, sir. This is the original quantity of the agreement after the recent variation. Last
not
variation.
possible for the recording measurement time to check
No,
this.
recording measurement time um, in the IRWCMS page they will not view it, sir. In the coordinating SSC, when writing on account measurement, at the time he will let know, sir. Even if the coordinating SSC initiates the on account measurements, at the time if this was let us know also, we could parallelly process the variation step with SSC. That is, sir. What I meant to, sir, in case in the same example, if this coordinating SSC are noticed that the original agreement quantity is 240 and brought forward is 390, means 390 quantity has been already billed. 390, but the original agreement quantity is lesser than now quantity measured is, then the coordinating SC may report to office, so that we will nominate the case to the coordinating SC or whichever SC whichever in which section it was being executed. Then they may initiate the variation process at the simultaneous time, so that before the on account measurement getting approved, this variation process also may be get approved, sir. So that billing time it will be good. It will be going smooth, sir.
Okay.
Arvind, another doubt. If on account measurement, for example, CC1 was completed, one bill was completed, against for CC2 on account measurement on SSC writing, how whether you know that how much quantity executed or not executed, any whether possible to CR any CC1 bill, any possibility On account measurement not record measurement one SSC was recording. For example, 1000 meters cable laying already executed 1000 meters. Then CC1 passed. Second CC2 agreement is there, SSC executing. Whether he can know any possibilities is there for record measurement.
Yes, sir. With the same example, I'll like to explain, sir. I will take this quantity and placing one row of bricks, sir. I will put installation of combined type point machine here, sir. This is the on of OAM FL201 is the first CC bill on account measurements, sir, which are five numbers which have been passed. Now the available record measurement they are measured to. In case the other two SSCs also recorded a measurement means it their SSC jurisdiction and FL2/1 like that the measurement date it will be coming with the quantity. If the total agreement quantity is 110 numbers, sir. So in case the sum of this is exceeds than the original agreement quantity means the variation has to be processed, sir.
Okay.
So it means that bottom second one was coming, that was from the CC1.
Yes, sir. OAM FL means on account measurement finalized.
Okay, so the second one is the from the finalized measurement of the CC1, and the second is the record measurement which is not yet taken in on account.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, anybody, any other doubt? And before writing measurement, if anybody having any problem, then before just ask Arvind or any here office person, then only go with the recording. Because I seen some places, some SSCs, JEs, they finalize the record measurement and later contractor coming and asking ki I tried telling the particular SSC JE, but he not listened and he finalized the measurement, and now this full quantity everything is reduced. So this kind of problem is coming, so better to discuss with ourselves rather than finalizing if you are in doubt. Okay, if no doubt, then we can close the session. Seniors are available, sir. Want to add, sir, anything, sir? Okay, then we will close the session. This minutes we will record, already recorded, and we will upload it there. And all the SSCs just go through one by one, and if and share it to the staff also. So if you are not there or somebody else filling the things, then it should be done in a one go. There should not be again and again correction or delaying, because as what is the image of a full division to the contractor is the things his bills or the measurements are recorded. If you see any contractor telling about any division ki where working is good, where working is bad, where he is struggling, where he is getting the bill immediately, it all depends on the executing and writing SSCs only. Whatever work at office is there is like some last 1 or 2 days only. Whatever measurements, whatever billing will be getting delayed, it will be at the field level. So if field level all work together and all these measurements, everything will be done in a little bit faster manner, then our billing process and booking, everything can be improved, and further contractor had the money, so they can invest more, and more manpower and material or work can be done. So it is a cycle. So if you break the cycle and do this thing properly, then automatically everything will improve. So I had this meeting for this purpose only, to speed up this booking process. So there should not be any doubt or problem to any SSC, and they can immediately take the action. They can see the measurement, record it, and send it to the DSTs. Okay, then thank you everyone. We will close the session now. Thank you.
Thank you.